Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel, how-to demonstrations and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel and comment below. Welcome to this EdTech Tutor talk on using Adobe Spark for the classroom. Adobe Spark is a quick and easy way for students to create graphics, presentations, slideshows, and web pages for a project in their class. This also helps them with computer literacy and digital literacy. Adobe Spark is free. You just have to create an account. So spark.adobe.com. So create an account as a teacher. You can demonstrate as a lesson. Students can create their free account on Adobe with the various different sign-ins, including an email. So today I'm going to show you how to do a web page. So we have templates here for social media, Instagram posts, Facebook, photo collage for a graphic. A presentation here is a web page. So I'm going to click on presentation to create a web page. So this is our blank page we start with. It's gray. We're going to add some graphics and text. So at the top you may notice I have a Wikipedia page already open, a tab for whales, and a YouTube video for whales. So we're going to add text and we're going to add videos. So I'm going to click here in the middle, whales, report by the student. Okay, everything is set for us as far as fonts and sizes. We can change the theme over here. Okay, it'll change the font, make it a little different for different personalities. Presentation. I like that one, nice and crisp and bold. I'll show you a different one, vintage. Okay, Teresa. So we have a blue background. So let's see if we add a background. Okay, so we have a gray background. We're going to add a photo. So when we add a photo, we can upload a photo, but we don't have pictures of whales. So we can find free photos on the bottom here. We'll search whale. Scroll down, you can see all the different variety of whales. I'm going to click this whale photo. So it adds it to the background. Okay. So to continue with a project to create a web page, we're going to scroll down to start writing your story. Scroll down. So it presents us with, do we want to add more photos, text, button, video, photo grid, glide show, or split layout? We're going to add a split layout because we're going to add some text with some information about whales. Split layout. On the left is an image again. On the right is text. So I'm going to click Add Image. I want a different picture of a whale. Okay. I like this photo. Close this. Loading that over here. When we click plus, we can add text. So when I add text, I can type my own all about whales. So if I press enter, it goes down to the next section. Okay, so it saved it. I'm going to go to whales, copy, and paste. Okay. Scroll down, add another split layout. Image on the right, text on the left. It's opposite. Click Add Image. Okay. Scroll down. We already have whales as a search option. Okay, I like the fins here. Go back to Wikipedia. Copy text. So when your students are searching for text, they want to use their own words. If they find a source, they want to cite it, of course. I'm going to click plus. Okay, I'm going to add text. This time I'm going to add a header. So for my section, lean whale. So it's blue, it's different. Click plus, add text, and paste. Okay. So we have our beginning, We have whales, all about whales. So we can change this. If I go back, I can change this to H1, all about whales. That's H2, smaller text. Okay, we're going to scroll down here. We're going to add a video. So a video is just an embedded link. So when I click video, it asks us add an embedded video. Add a link from YouTube, Vimeo, or Spark Video. So I'll have a tab with videos for whales. I click share, copy the link. Okay, so students have to research in YouTube a whale video. Then go back over here and paste. Click save. So now we have a video resource that relates to our lesson and our project. Okay. We go back up here. We're going to click preview. So this is a final preview of what our presentation will look like. Whales, a report by the student. So we have a graphic all about whales, a baleen whale, and then a video link. So this is good practice and assignment for using an online tool, computer literacy and digital literacy. For students, when they're complete, they can click the share button. So they can send it to Google Drive if you're using Google Classroom, send an email invite, or you can publish and share the link.